So guys, as you can see, we are currently under a vicious bear attack and they're tearing us apart. No, just kidding. Like, the way this man reacts is just the way that you should react to the crypto market right now, because as you know, cryptocurrencies are very, very volatile and you shouldn't invest more money than you can afford to lose, actually. So right while researching today's topics for this video, I stumbled upon another dump, so to say. So we dropped to 6,300 on Bitfinex right now. On TradingView, I see 6,260, and you know, I don't often look at the technical side of cryptocurrencies, but right now let's take a look at it. So from the get-go, as you can see, guys, volume is very low, and that's a bad sign. RSI very underbought, might be an indicator that we have reached the bottom for now, but which take this really with great caution, because RSI itself is not enough to predict a bottom. So right now, as you can see, this is some triple bottom material. And something that I have seen is, you know, the fact that if you take this trend line and you see that Bitcoin bounced twice off this trend line, and now what has happened? It went under that trend line. So what are you invested for? If you have invested into blockchain, are you invested for the sick gains? Do you want to invest because you want a Lambo, or are you in from the long haul? Don't get me wrong, I understand that people believe in Bitcoin, and I understand that right now it doesn't look bad. But guys, this is really the time that shakes off the weak hands and only leaves the strong hand. Right now, let me be quite frank with you. It looks like we are going towards a longer bear period. Why? Because for once, we have hit this trend line for the third time. Didn't manage to bounce off of it. So the price went underneath that trend line. So the support now turns into resistance. So right now it's going to be a lot harder for the price to break right now. For example, 7,200 would be great, of course, if that happens again. But you know, technical analysis is a self-fulfilling prophecy. Many people look at the same chart, and I would not be surprised that tomorrow we will see a increase in the Bitcoin price. We will see a short rally. And then as soon as we get close to this range of 7,200 to 7,400, the sell orders are going to kick in and the price is going to bounce off. And from then on, what happens? I don't know. That's why for a while I'm going to stay away from Bitcoin, because right now it's really a big gamble in my opinion. But I'm in it because I'm for the gamble. If right now the situation you're seeing, it's a bit too much for you, if you're seeing yourself checking the stats constantly, checking the price constantly, then maybe cryptocurrencies simply aren't cut for you. You know, maybe you are like this guy who's hiding from the bear in the tree, and you can't face the fact that cryptocurrencies are going up and down every time. Maybe stocks are just a more easy option for you. Maybe you should invest only once a month and then just let it stand there for like 3 decades, and then that's all. So who knows, guys? But in any case, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave it a thumbs up and comment down below. Really, I appreciate that. Really helps my channel, and I try to answer every comment as soon as possible. And among everybody who's commenting, I'm giving away a small amount of Litecoins. So isn't that great? So the EU is going to have an AMA session very soon, but not on Reddit. It's actually going to be on Twitter. So if you are interested to be part of that AMA, 18th of July at 6 p.m. Central European Time, you can ask your stupid questions to the EU, such as, what are they used for? Let's ask the hard questions. Okay. No, not stupid questions. I'm just kidding. Some people are actually beginners and don't know what cryptocurrencies can be used for. So this really makes a lot of sense for the EU to actually make a AMA session like this. So that's pretty cool. And if you haven't noticed, Ethereum Classic is going to be supported at Coinbase very soon. And Why Ethereum Classic? This is like or something that everybody expected Ripple to get listed on Coinbase, maybe even Cardano. But seeing Ethereum Classic get added to Coinbase is something that's like really, really weird. And apparently the Ripple community isn't happy. This is the Dead Sea, the saltiest place on earth, second only to the XRP community after Coinbase decided to add Ethereum Classic. Coinbase plans to add a single coin. Ripple adds a bank weak to their network. Who needs who again? So something to really have to hand off to Ripple right now. When it comes to partnerships, Ripple is really going ham. So they're acquiring partners left and right, a lot of partners for Ripple. So I'm also invested into Ripple. And while Ripple is not really decentralized as most of other cryptocurrencies are, I see a bright future for Ripple. And I'm also in for the profits, not only for the blockchain. So you have to decide for yourself where you want to invest in. And this is also something I really liked. Rumor has it that one of Kim Jong-un's conditions for denuclearization was Coinbase adding ETC. For some people, this is the only explanation why Ethereum Classic has been added. Going on in Ljubljana in Slovenia, the first crypto mall is going to get opened. Actually, it's not really a crypto mall. It's a, they're going to implement blockchain and payments for cryptocurrencies in the whole mall. So from then on, you'll have the option to pay everything via crypto, which is really, really cool. A great use case scenario for cryptocurrencies in Europe. So we'll just see how this pilot project is going to work. Although I'm afraid that not really a lot of people will take the service because simply if I was in Slovenia, I would prefer to pay with fiat and not with crypto, to be honest. But who knows what is going to happen. In any case, great to see this adoption going along. And then Justin Sun has officially acquired BitTorrent. I already talked about this, but it wasn't official. Now we know it. But what we don't know is how much he paid for BitTorrent and what he's going to use it for. So maybe some of you older guys out there remember you had almost to risk AIDS for your computer to get AIDS in order to get a song. So LimeWire was like one of the first services where you could do like this bit sharing and then download songs. And now BitTorrent hasn't been spoken of in a while. Torrents aren't that fancy anymore. I have the feeling still people of course use them, but right now since Netflix is out there, many people prefer to pay a subscription once a month and then watch all the shows they want, and that's something that I also enjoy. So we'll see what Justin is going to do with this. Then furthermore, as you know, CoinRail got hacked, 40 million US dollars got stolen, and I was talking about it in the last video, but guys, I'm really sure. To be really frank with you, I doubt that CoinRail is the sole reason why the market has collapsed. It's not justifiable that a hack of 40 million US dollars causes the market to like lose like how much? 10, 20, 30 billion. Like this is just not sustainable in my opinion. Doesn't make any sense. So, but something that you should note is before CoinRail was hacked, banks already saw weird transactions going on. Now, last week I had a lot of stuff going on, only was able to upload 2 videos. So fortunate for everybody who was participating in the giveaway. And donation address, no thank you. I'm gonna pick somebody who actually commented something real under my video. So sorry I can't pick your comment. Cartoon, well, you said thank you. That's better than a donation address. Actually, no. Guys, I'm really sorry, but I'm picking comments that have actually commented something and not only one word, and this has to be a joke, but I will actually wait until I get a normal comment. Let's see if Ethereum can achieve that. Dark Griffin, so this is a normal comment that I want to pick as one of the winners. And the next one is gonna be, let's see who's gonna get picked. Justin Baking. Damn, please make a video about Loyal Coin. okay, I'm gonna take a look into Litecoin. Maybe I'm gonna make a video out of this. But Justin and Dark Griffin are off to a heads up, so the higher number wins. And Dark Griffin is gonna be the winner. Dark Griffin, I'm gonna send you your win in the next video, because right now, to be quite frank, I don't have your Litecoin address. But in any case, thank you so much for commenting, guys. I hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, leave it a thumbs up, comment down below, because you have a chance of winning. And subscribe to the channel if you want to see more, and hit that notification bell. So thank you very much, and see you soon. Bye-bye. Oh, and keep in mind that everything in this video is my personal opinion and not financial advice.